Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring your environment is ready. Install Android Studio and pick an empty activity template. Once done, set Kotlin and minimum SDK 23 so runtime permissions work. You must add record audio and write external storage to Android manifest. These allow capture and file saving. Make sure to enable view binding in build. Gradle for concise code. Then create a simple UI layout with record, stop, and play buttons. Keep ID obvious, because you will connect them to logic next. You implement recording by requesting runtime permission for audio, present rationale if denied and proceed when granted. Next, initialize media recorder. Set audio source to mic, choose output format MPEG-4 and audio encoder awk, then set output file to a timestamped path and get external files dir. Once prepared, call prepare and start. You'll flip UI states to disable record and enable stop. When stopping, call stop, reset, and release to free resources. Make sure to wrap calls with you finish by wiring the play button to a media player pointing at the recorded file. Prepare, start, and release when done so the app can record again. Once stable, add a share option using an intent to let users export. For stability, always stop and release media recorder and media player in on pause and on destroy. If something goes wrong, check permissions, confirm the output path exists and is writable, and ensure you call release. Lack of release often blocks the mic or causes crashes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.